Channel again, and today we will discuss about NPM versus NPX. So many students confuse that what is NPM and what is NPX. So today we will discuss about these topics. So basically both NPM and NPX are the package managers for the JavaScript, and they have used for the different purposes. So NPM is basically short for Node Package Manager, and it is used to install and manage packages for a project. And when you run the command like npm install and then package name, it install the package and dependency of the project in node modules. So basically in our project we have a folder named node modules, so all the packages which are installed in our project, so we can see all the package dependency in the node modules, and these updates in the project file also package.json. And basically our next one is the like what is NPX. NPX short for Node Package Executor is a tool, and that comes with the NPM version 5.2 or higher. Like if we install the version of the NPM which is greater than 5.2, then we can use the NPX, and it is also used to execute the package that are already installed in our node module directory. For example, like if you have a package called React Create app installed in our project, and you can use npx create react app, then the app name, to create a new React app called any app name. So basically, in summary, you use npm to install packages and manage dependency, and you use npx to execute the package. So basically, for the execution, we will use Node Package Executor NPX, and to install and manage the dependency we have to use NPM. So in this series we will use NPX for the create React app, and for to install other dependency we will use NPM. Yeah, that's all for this video. Okay, thank you guys, and if you really like this video, please share it with your friends. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.